Sleep, brain health, and the truth about sleeping pills. Sleep is often referred to as nature's broom, a time when your brain does essential housekeeping. But what happens when you take sleeping pills to get some shut-eye? Recent studies suggest that medications like zolpidem, sold under the brand name Ambien, may interfere with your brain's natural cleaning process, leaving behind wasteful fluids that could affect long-term brain health. Let's explore how sleep supports your brain, what these findings mean, and how seniors can prioritize both sleep quality and brain health. The brain's nightly cleaning crew. While you're snoozing, your brain is hard at work. It activates the glymphatic system, a specialized waste removal process that clears out toxins and metabolic byproducts, including substances linked to diseases like Alzheimer's. Think of it as a deep cleaning service for your brain, flushing away the clutter to keep your mind sharp and healthy. This cleaning process is most efficient during deep sleep, when brain cells shrink slightly, creating space for cerebrospinal fluid to wash out waste. But if this system gets disrupted, waste can accumulate, potentially increasing the risk of cognitive decline over time. What sleeping pills may do? Sleeping pills like Ambien are popular among people who struggle with insomnia, especially seniors. While they can help you fall asleep faster, research indicates that they don't promote the same quality of sleep your body and brain naturally need. The study findings suggest that zolpidem disrupts the glymphatic system, meaning your brain doesn't get to complete its cleaning cycle. In short, while you may feel rested, the brain's toxic trash may remain behind, potentially affecting brain function and long-term health. Why this matters for seniors? As we age, our sleep patterns naturally change, and issues like insomnia become more common. Unfortunately, this can lead to increased reliance on sleep aids. However, seniors are also more susceptible to cognitive decline, making it especially important to ensure the brain's glymphatic system is functioning optimally. If sleeping pills interfere with your brain's ability to clean itself, they could contribute to problems like memory loss, confusion, and other cognitive issues down the road. That's why understanding the trade-offs of using sleeping aids is so important. Tips for better sleep without pills. Instead of reaching for a pill, consider these natural strategies to improve sleep quality and support your brain's nightly cleaning. 1. Stick to a sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. 2. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Wind down with calming activities like reading, light stretching, or listening to soothing music. 3. Limit stimulants. Avoid caffeine, nicotine, and heavy meals in the evening. 4. Create a sleep-friendly environment. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. 4. Use blackout curtains or a white noise machine if needed. 5. Get regular exercise. Moderate exercise during the day can promote better sleep at night. 6. Try Natural Sleep AidsSupplements like melatonin, magnesium, or Vida Sana's SleepWell gummies might help you fall asleep without the downsides of prescription medication. The takeaway: while sleeping pills like Ambien can offer short-term relief, they might come at a cost to your brain's long-term health. Prioritize natural sleep strategies to protect your brain's cleaning system and ensure you wake up refreshed and rejuvenated, both mentally and physically. By understanding how sleep works and taking steps to improve it naturally, you can keep your brain healthy for years to come. After all, a clean brain is a happy brain. Go to insuredmeds.com/store for all you senior home essentials. Go to seniorhealthcorp.com to order your Vida Sana Health for our SleepWell gummies supplements today.